Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. So if you have a clue or maybe you're just thinking someone has blocked you but you're not sure. So I'll show you a small trick through which you will be able to know if someone has blocked you or not on WhatsApp. So first you have to simply open your WhatsApp and simply go to the chat of which you want to check if that person has blocked you or not. So there will be few clues through which we'll get the idea. First, if you cannot see their last seen or their profile picture, that means that person might have blocked you. And if you're sending them message but you only get the single tick, then there are other chances that that person has blocked you. But right now we are only guessing, this is not sure if that person has blocked us or not. So if you want to truly check it, what you have to do is you have to go to any group, or if you don't have any group, simply create a new group and then simply click onto its profile, and in that option of invite or add participants you have to try to add that contact. If that adds, that means that person has not blocked you. But if it says couldn't add that contact or maybe show any sort of error through which you cannot add that person into the group, that means that person has blocked you. Because if someone has blocked you, you cannot add them into a group. They can be added into the same group as well as you through any other way, like someone invite them, but you cannot add them. So through that way, you will get the idea that this person has blocked you. So that's how you will know if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.